Hey, this is Alex Daniel, a mortgage lender and real estate investor here in Los Angeles. Today I wanted to talk to you about my own real estate journey and some of the investments I did along the way that allowed me to get here. So when I was looking for my first home, I was looking at condos because I thought that was all I could afford. And then I found out about duplexes. A duplex is a multi-unit home, 2, 3, or 4 units, and you live in one and you rent out the others. So you get rent, so you don't pay that much for your mortgage. It's a good idea. So also while I was living there, the property was gaining equity. It wasn't really the neighborhood I wanted to stay forever, so I never really made the home my own because I always thought it was an investment. But because of that equity, I was able to move to somewhere I'm more excited about. Let's check it out. So I know there's a lot of people out there that want to start their journey in investing in real estate. I know it can be overwhelming and a little bit scary, but if you have the right team behind you, anybody could do it. In the meantime, I'm going to be building onto this house as an investment. I'd love it if you followed along with me on my journey, so stay tuned.